Beginner's Guide to Earning with AI, step by step. Fast-paced, clear, confident. You don't need to code. You don't need experience. And you definitely don't need to waste time. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through how complete beginners are using free AI tools to start earning money today. If you've been watching others make money with AI and wondering, where do I even start, this is your video. I'll show you the easiest way to begin earning with AI, even if you're starting from zero. Free tools, no complex setups, and real, step-by-step actions you can take today. Let's jump in. Step 1. Pick a simple AI tool. The first step is choosing an AI tool that's beginner-friendly. Here are 3 free tools you can use today. 1. ChatGPT, best for writing, content, and scripts. 2. Canva AI, for graphic design, social media posts, and product ads. 3. Pictory AI, free trial for turning text into videos. Start with ChatGPT at chat.openai.com. It's free and insanely powerful. You can use it to write emails, product descriptions, social media captions, and even full blog posts. Step 2. Pick a service to offer. Now that you have the tool, let's use it to offer a real service people will pay for. Here are 3 beginner-friendly services you can offer with AI. 1. Blog or article writing with ChatGPT. 2. Instagram caption packages with ChatGPT plus Canva. 3. AI-generated product descriptions, Etsy, Shopify, Amazon. Real-world example. Go on Fiverr, search, product description. You'll see people charging $10, $50. You can do this using ChatGPT in minutes. Step 3. Find your first client. You don't need a fancy website. Here's where to start finding clients. Fiverr.com, Upwork.com, Facebook groups, Twitter DM small businesses. Example approach: Facebook. Search for small business or Etsy store owners groups. Post: I'm offering free discounted product descriptions using AI to help small shops look professional. DM me. You'll be surprised how many people respond. Step 4. Deliver like a pro. Here's how to deliver your service professionally and fast. 1. Use a clear prompt. Write a fun, engaging product description for a handmade soap. Focus on benefits, SEO, and natural ingredients. 2. Format it cleanly. Use bullets, bold benefits, and a catchy headline. 3. Send it as a PDF or Google Doc with your branding. Canva AI can help make it look stunning, even if you're not a designer. Bonus tip: offer a free revision. It builds trust and gets repeat work. Step 5. Scale your AI income. Once you've done 2 to 3 jobs, it's time to level up. Here's how. Create gig packages, e.g., 5 product descriptions for $50. Offer add-ons, SEO optimization, express delivery. Post your wins on social media to attract inbound leads. Optional upgrade. Use Pictory or Lumen 5 to turn your blog post into a YouTube video and repurpose the same content across platforms. You'll now have 3 income streams from the same AI work. Client gigs, content creation, affiliate marketing. Wrap up. Let's recap. Step 1. Pick a free AI tool. Step 2. Offer a service people need. Step 3. Find your first client. Step 4. Deliver quality work fast. Step 5. Scale smart and grow income. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to take the first step. Pinned comment. Speech balloon: want my exact ChatGPT prompts and Fiverr gig templates? Drop a fire in the comments and I'll send them free. Outgoing mail or comment, step, and I'll DM you the full step-by-step PDF guide.